In this lesson I am going to be talking about why finite verbs are called as operating verbs, and why non-finite verbs are called as non-operating verbs. I will get example sentence from finite verbs. Consider this sentence. I am a teacher. In this sentence verb is am. It is a finite verb. It is called affirmative. Now add not into the verb of am. Let's look at what the sentence is now. I am not a teacher. Now we have the different meaning of the sentence. This is called as negative. Now I will change the positions of I and am. Now we have this sentence. Am I a teacher? This is called as question. Look at these three sentences. I did some changes to verb. Verb is am. Then I had different meaning there sentences. In finite verbs we can make different sentences only operating the verb. That is why finite verbs are called as operating verbs. We can do this thing for all the finite verbs. I am a teacher. This is affirmative. I am not a teacher. This is negative. Am I a teacher? This is question.
Now let's look at why the non-finite verbs are called as non-operating verbs. I will get an example sentence from non-finite verbs. I play cricket. Now look at this sentence. We cannot operate the verb like finite verbs, because if we add not into this non-finite verb, play, sentence is I play not cricket. This sentence is wrong. We cannot make negative sentence as this for non-finite verbs. Now look at if we change the positions of I and play. Sentence is play I cricket. This is wrong. We cannot make question form like this. So, we cannot operate the non-finite verbs. That is why non-finite verbs are called as non-operating verbs. Now we know we cannot operate the non-finite verbs. But we make negative and question forms for non-finite verbs. Now let's look at how make negative and question forms from non-finite verbs. We get a help from finite verbs. Am is are. Do does. Did. Because we cannot operate individual verb of non-finite verbs, we must get right helping verb for each sentence of non-finite verb. Now let's look at previous example. How make negative and question form. Sentence is I play cricket. For this sentence, we get the do as the helping verb from the finite verbs. Now we have do, so we can operate the do. I add not into the do. Now we have negative form of the sentence. Sentence is I do not play cricket. Now let's look at how to make question form. I get do in front of the subject. Now we have the question sentence. Do I play cricket? That is very easy. Now you know how to operate the non-finite verbs. For that we have to get a help from finite verbs. That is why also finite verbs are called as helping verbs. You can operate any non-finite verb, getting a help from finite verbs. If I get another example. She plays cricket. Negative is she does not play cricket. Question is does she play cricket? Helping verb is does. In this sentence, I will get another example. I played cricket. Negative form is I did not play cricket. Question form is did I play cricket? Helping verb is did. In this sentence. See you in next lesson.